everybody, and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana, and today we got another Easter going on with this cutie. I just got in the back and glued it on and put some pipe cleaners and stuck it on the back. She's all ready to roll. We are also working with a whole bunch of different colors of pink, purple, and blue geraniums. We got some Easter eggs going on. We also got a 71-inch blue, beautiful ribbon. We also working with an 86-inch long ribbon, and we got two 49-inch ribbons for the bottom. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4. I think these are 34-inch for the yellow ribbons. Okay, with that said, let's get this started. Yeah, I just want excited to show you guys this. We're going to get these little tails, little short, like 7-inch tail, and then we're going to get our loops, 12-inch loops going on. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Twist that like that. Get another one. Bam. Right there. Look at that. We're going to put this up in here. I got my little pinpoint already ready to go. Yeah, look at that. Ah, cute. Then we're going to go down this way. Where's my other pinpoint? I think this one is it. And we are going to make two more. Okay, two more of these beauty. We're going to wrap that one around there. And we got it. Look at that. There we go. Stick that in there and pop this beautiful ribbon up. Look at that. Wow. Okay, now we're going to come to this side and we're going to get this other ribbon. Do the same thing. Got our tail going on. Wrap that around here. Get it like that. Twist it and whoop it over and voila, look at that. Little bow. Here's another one for you. Decoration going. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Okay. And we're going to turn this one down. Ooh, I think I got that a little too long, no? There. Okay, then we're going to come down this way. We're going to do the same thing. Down here, we're going to get two more loops. Getting a little too big on my loops, huh? Put your loops the way you want to put your loops. All bold or smaller. This is your wreath now, everybody. And we're going to get this down here. Bam, look at, ooh. Two more bows going on. Wow, these ones are kind of way out there. Tone it down a little. It's okay though, it looks good, huh? Wow, look at that. There we go. Let's get our tail down right here. Get that going. Then we're going to get these other ones. And we're going to make one bow. I think we're going to make one bow. We're going to make two bows. Two little bows. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Look at that. Turn that around like that. We're going to get that one right here. Right down in here. See how easy it is to work with these? There we go. We're going to get another. Look at it, buddy. Wow. This is getting all decked out, huh? Ready for Easter. Look at it. Get another two bows. Bam. Wow, look at that. Okay, we got another setting point right here. In here and pull it in. Voila. There it is, another beauty. Let's puff this up and see what we are working with. Wow, look at this. Lovely. Okay, now, I should get my handy dandy ribbon twister on that one, huh? Right here. Okay, we're going to get these little ones in here. Look at these ones. We're just going to do the same thing. We're going to grab it here. Take it there. Twist it. Let's make a bow. That like that. Take them together. And we're just going to put them all around in here. Get that. Bam. Hey. Look at that. We're going to get another one. Take it. Okay, like that. Get another one like this. Then we got another bow. Look at that. See? Gonna get this one. Another one going on down in here. Put it in. And twist. Look at that, everybody. Woo, she's just all dressed up. Easter time. You know, this year I really am getting into my Easter weaves. I think it's kind of fun. It is fun, but last year I don't know. I just because I don't know. We didn't have we haven't celebrated Easter. Maybe that's why. Since my family members passed away, I just another day. But this year I am gonna have some Easter eggs so my son could look for them. We're just gonna put some prizes, little toys, little stickers inside. I think that'll be fun for him. You know, he deserves to have a little Easter. You know, yes indeed. So I got into the Easter spirit this year, and I am going to continue on. You know, here we go. There's another one, everybody. We're gonna get this right here. This one here, pull it up and what? Get that guy down in there. Look at that. And just pop them out, and got another one going. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now let's see her face. Okay, let's get these geraniums on. Box of geraniums, yeah. Ooh, gonna go geranium happy. Gonna get these, just put them all around and balance them out on the color. This in here, the blue over here. Look at just how beautiful it comes out when you get those geraniums in here. Remember now, recycle your florals and just get in there and see what you could use, you know? Reuse. Like I said, you know, if you want this durable, you could use the glue stick. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's get some blue up in here. Some blue. Wow, look at that. Bum, 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 bum. I think we're going to get some more blue up in here too. How's that looking, everybody? Thumbs up or leave a comment. You know, I am learning too with you guys. We're learning together in these wreaths, and I'm going to continue making some more. You know, I was going to stop and do my spring, but I'm going to keep going with these beautiful Easter ones. So I will continue making a couple more for you all, and see that you guys are liking my videos, and I appreciate that much. And I just love to be here with you guys, learn and show you guys, help you guys get some ideas and inspiration, man. This makes my day today. I'm gonna go to my center, and I'm gonna have a good day, and you all have a good day too. And we're gonna get these little Easter eggs in there, and I think we got this. There it is, everybody. Woo! Look at that. There we go. Let me fix this up for you guys. Where's my handy dandy ribbon twister? There it is. Woo. I've got my handy dandy ribbon twister. Okay, let's turn this around so we can see what we made today, everybody. Look at that. Wow. Let's put this up here. There you go, right there. Wow. How's that looking, everybody? Woo. Okay, let's get this handy dandy ribbon twister. And we're going to twist this up. There. Like there. And let me step back and visualize, see what's going on in the camera. Wow, look at that, everybody. So you can tuck some of this under and that. Wow, look at that. Once again, thanks for watching my videos. If you liked and enjoyed, press the subscribe button. Till the next video, everybody, you all have a great day, and let's get that smile on. Look at it, it's so cute how it came out. I will have some more Easter coming your way, so stay tuned and see ya. Have a great day, everybody. Wow. Be creative and have fun. See ya.